camshaft position sensor is an electronic device that monitors the camshaft position and speed, which helps engine control systems to calculate the ignition point and injection point. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or the front or rear of the cylinder head. A faulty camshaft position sensor will leave you unable to start the car, cause the engine to backfire, and result in bad fuel mileage. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the camshaft position sensor related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered camshaft position sensor related problems, here is one method to fix the camshaft position sensor. Method A. Replace the camshaft position sensor. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. So here is one method to fix the camshaft position sensor. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.